Driver's here. Got the forklift ready. Let's start it up. Brake. Oh man. Alright guys, welcome back to the Vehicle Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And today we got the parts truck. We got another Raptor.
Alright.
It's actually a 2014, so it's newer than what we had. I think it's an upgrade.
Yeah,
it's like we're upgrading the truck. We're getting, a newer style engine, the interior's newer, and this one has less mileage. This one only has 80,000 miles.
Wow, it's like half the one the white one had, so.
So we're gonna probably change everything over, but let's go over it. Let's go see what we got.
Let's look at it.
So it was involved in a rollover. It rolled. And I think it hit something, so either, let's go on our side.
Taillight's still good, nice.
As you guys can see, this suspension got hit, and got hit pretty good. It actually hit the frame. Look at that frame, guys. That is really bad frame damage. So good thing we got a good frame.
Yeah.
So most likely it hit something and then rolled onto its side, on that side. I don't think it kept rolling, but it rolled over. But it's good, we got a 6.2 engine. It's not supercharged. Let's look at the engine.
Yeah, still there.
Find it. The other good part is, looks like the radiator, condenser, fans, the whole assembly is really good.
Engine looks good too.
Engine looks good. So that's really good. The rack and pinion probably is gonna be good. A lot of good parts for us to use. All those little pieces that is all burnt off.
Oh yeah.
Engine wire harness, all this good parts that we don't have to buy.
Yeah, we're gonna use all of this stuff. I mean, we're talking about swapping everything.
Yep.
From like the wire harness, the computers, door harnesses, motors, anything we can. We'll try to use the 2014 because it's newer, less mileage on it, so it'll last longer. Obviously, we'll save the frame on the other one and the cab, but whatever we can switch, we will.
Now let's check out the interior.
Nice.
We got a good seat belt.
That's good.
These seats only have 80,000 miles on them, and they're in really, really good shape.
Oh yeah, Raptor.
It's got the newer style navigation screen. All the little stuff is hecka cool. We even got the owner's manual. We got a sunroof. Wow. The roof airbag's deployed, but we're gonna keep our old ones. They should interchange no problem. Then we got the rear. I mean, these seats are in really good shape.
Oh yeah, brand new. They took care of this truck. That's nice.
Really nice. And we actually needed a door. Remember that door had damage?
Perfect.
Check out this door. We got a perfect door.
And good only door, we got it.
The only door that didn't get damaged, and it's actually the one we need.
Perfect.
So that's good. Then we don't need the bed, so the bed has damage. We needed a tail light.
Yeah.
But this one's damaged. Rear bumper. We have a rear bumper, so we'll probably sell that. I think this is like the newer version, so we got backup camera. We'll have to switch that out. Got little tow hooks. We don't need those. We got one good tail light.
Yeah.
We got some floor mats. What's left of the headlight.
That's actually really useful. My kids love those.
There's emblem. Is it a semi-truck?
Yeah, I don't think that's ours.
RV? What did he hit? Oh man. Well, it looks like the rear axle is gonna be good. The suspension. Oh, look at that oil change sticker. Oh, that's kind of old. Oh. Look at this custom
Step.
Too bad we only got one. Well, at least we got the suspension. We got some other parts we can use. We got a lot of work. We got a lot of, we got to strip it down, take it apart. But at least now we can continue to work.
Yeah, yeah.
Now we can,
keep going at it.
Fix this one. So we got this one painted. All right, guys, let's actually get the jump box and let's try to start it.
Yeah.
I mean, you gotta make sure the engine's good.
Hey, before we start taking it all apart and be like, yeah, plug it in, and then it doesn't work. So let's go ahead and get the jump box, check the oil on it, and get it running. We got oil, that's good.
The custom battery right here, side mount.
You're clicking. It's always good. Can you open the door on that side? I think it's blocked. Keep going, Abby. You almost had it. First start. Let's see what happens. That's awesome. Can't wait to hear that on there. Perfect, crank right up.
That was really good news, guys. Cranked right up. It has 85,000 miles on it.
Nice.
Heck yeah.
Let me see.
First start. Start it up.
Oh yeah. Powered everything, that's good.
Wow. So much room.
Yeah, so spacious.
Ooh. Look what I found. Golf balls.
Makes sense, makes sense.
I like to play golf, so heck yes, I'll play golf balls. Look at that navigation screen. It's got, is it heated and cooled seats? Wow.
No.
It's got trailer brakes. This could be the new truck, Michael.
Oh yeah, this
Sell
is
the
nice.
Duramax? No, I'm not selling Duramax. I love my Duramax. But this will haul the boat. Speaking of, we gotta fix that boat still.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But
It's
all right,
nice.
let's move it.
Alrighty, I'm out here. I'm gonna try to get the bed off, see what's going on underneath, look at the parts, see our status of everything, and try to get the parts onto our white one. It's nice that the bolts are on top of the bed, so I don't have to crawl underneath the truck. That's nice and convenient. Makes my life a little easier. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this bed too, so we can work on our frame, see what we need to swap, see what we need to clean and prepare for all the new parts. All right, finally got the bed off. Those bolts were a pain in the butt, super rusty. I basically had to cut the heads off, ground them off. Yeah, I got it though. Horse truck was so much easier, they just came right off. This guy's a little rusty. But, got it done. All right, so I'm gonna continue working on the cab. There was a little bit of surface rust on the bottom. I mean, it happens, I have miles on it, so we went at it, we ground it all off. We're gonna put some anti-rust primer on it, sealer, get that going, and then we're gonna draw a line and basically put this undercoat on it so it's gonna look really nice and protect the cab. Put a lot of work into it, might as well make it nice. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. I got the bed off of both of the cars. The parts truck came right off, but ours, man, I struggled. I guess those bolts were really rusty, but at the end, I got it off, so I'm happy about that. Now we can work on the frame, getting prepared to put all the new parts on. But hey, it's your favorite part of the day. We're gonna pick our winners for the giveaway.
And also guys, we're still doing the giveaway in this video. All you have to do is comment Raptor, subscribe, like the video, and follow us on Instagram.
Yep, nothing new.
And you guys can enter.
Yeah, so if you don't win this time, it's okay, still another chance. Alright, let's see what we got. I preloaded the comments, we have 645.
Heck yeah.
Let's find our first winner. Here we go. Alright, Jan Lucas, congrats, you won Raptor. Perfect, that's all you need to do. You're our first winner. Let's go for number 2. Roman Zaitsev. Hey, congrats, bro. You're a winner. You won. You commented Raptor. That's all you need to do. Hopefully you're subscribed to our channel, but we'll look at that later. Make sure to email us your information and we'll send it out to you as soon as possible.
And our last one.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Anthony Series. Raptor. Doo-doo. Nice.
He's on fire. There we go.
Nice. You did it. Congrats. You won as well. You're our third winner, so that's it for today. But stay tuned. We have a lot more coming. Let us know what you guys think about our parts truck. Was it a good deal or not? I mean,
was it worth it? You know, should we fix the parts truck? We're not gonna fix the parts truck because we'll show you guys. It has frame damage.
Yeah, definitely.
So next video, you guys definitely hit that notification bell. We're gonna take apart the parts truck, get it all ready.
Yeah, get that cab off. See where we're going with the frame. Start swapping the parts over. Yeah, a lot of work to do. So stay tuned for sure.
We'll see you on the next one.